participant of Bagong Narin 2 National High School Intramurals 2025. I solemnly swear and agree, adhere and uphold all conditions, agreements, rules, regulations, and provisions which has been set forth by the organizers of this tournament. As a competitor of this game, I hereby swear and agree to play the game in the highest form and standards of discipline and sportsmanship. No matter if I win or lose, what counts most is how I conduct myself and play my game. In the spirit of belongingness, peace, and community enjoyment with my fellow athletes, I now therefore declare to preserve the principles of a true sportsman, in thought, in deed, and in word. So help me God.